Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to plot the forward IV characteristic of a diode using DC sweep. The forward IV characteristic is the plot of current through the diode versus voltage across it in forward bias. It reveals the threshold voltage, the point where the diode starts conducting significantly. For that, I will first make the circuit and then see how to use DC sweep to plot this graph. To make circuit, we need one DC voltage source, one diode. Here I am using 1N4007 diode. You can use whatever diode you want. And we also need one ground. Now connect positive terminal of voltage source to the positive terminal of diode and negative terminal of voltage source to negative terminal of diode and place a ground. And now click on interactive and then click on DC sweep. And here you see the stopping voltage. Change it to 5 volt and increment is step size. Change it to 0.01 and now click on output. Now add this current of diode option and now save this. Now run the simulation. As you see, the simulation will automatically vary the voltage and measure the current. You will see the curve start flat at low voltage and then rise sharply after the threshold point, and you can clearly able to observe the threshold voltage. That's how you can quickly plot the forward IV characteristic of diode using DC sweep. If you want to see how we can plot reverse characteristic of a diode or how to observe breakdown voltage of that diode, then watch my next video. And if you found this video informative, smash that subscribe button and like this video.